Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. Today I will demonstrate this project, Smart Traffic Light Controller, through Arduino and Proteus. I will design whole schematic for this traffic signal. Plus, I will tell you how can you code this. So before coding, I will explain coding to you later. But before initially we need to design the structure or the schematic. It's schematic on Proteus. So let's get started. There's so many things open. So first, what you need to open this Proteus. I think so in my first video of this electronics I told you how can you install it. So in this video we are going to run this project. First you need to go on new project. Okay, let's open it now. Give some name. I'm giving name traffic signal. I think it's just enough, and give it a path. I'm going to put it, and this is traffic control. I'm putting it here. You can put as up to you. Okay, so what you need is I am going to create a schematic from the selected template. I want default. Okay, I'm not taking any landscape A0 A1. It's you can take it, like for example, if you want it will give you default will give you the default size of Proteus. But if you want to make schematic that have more components and different multiple things, then you need to select any one of among this. So second thing that I don't need PCB because I'm not going to make a PCB for this project. So next, and then I will put its firmware through hex file. Not I'm putting it through coding on Proteus or Visual Studio. So this is how I create a project. So this my project is here. The first thing I need is some component. The first thing I need is Arduino as a microcontroller. So it's here. I have Arduino Uno here. Okay, just select it. I need some traffic signal. I think traffic's light. Okay, it's traffic light here, and a resistor. I think these are enough. These three components I needed. Resistor. Okay, so these are little things I need for my project. Initially I will put Arduino here and on this side, and I need this traffic lights. One should be here, another should be here, and that should be here. Its coding depend on your project. I will just tell you what's in my project. There are some rules in my project. First thing that you can see this is TL1, this is TL3. Okay, this is TL2 and TL4. What's mentioned here, it's mentioned that TL1 and TL3 traffic light operating simultaneously, TL1 and TL3 means it means that whatever signals coming on TL1 will also come same signal on TL3. If any signal, for example, if red light is on TL2, then red light also on in TL4. So this is the first point. And the second point, they give us some timing, like green light should be for 5 seconds. It should be switch on for 5 seconds, yellow for 3 seconds, and red for 7 seconds. So these are two basic points you need to know in your mind while you are coding. Like I'm just telling it you before schematic, it's just because you can see that TL3 and TL1 both have same functionality. So what I do, I will connect this red light with this, and single pin will use for Arduino. Like I will use for example pin number 0 for this red light, and I will short this TL1 with this TL3. I'm just giving you an example. Once we will do it, you can understand that what I'm trying to say. So this is your TL1, this is your TL3, TL2, and this is your TL4. Okay, so here's the red light. I'm going to connect this red light to pin number 0, and this green light to pin number 1, pin number 1, and this to pin number 2. I think I should zoom it so that you can see properly. So what I do next, this red light should be short with this red light because both have same functionality. So what I will do, I will, here I'm just doing this. So this will connect with the yellow light of TL1, and this will connect with, it just depend on my project. Maybe your project is a little bit different, so you will like act according to your project. Okay, this project is just giving you an idea that how can you design schematic and something. So here do this minus, so okay, zoom it again. So this red is with I'm just going to connect this red with pin number, okay, sorry, it should be here, pin number 3. Okay, this yellow with okay, something is wrong here. Pin number 4, should be pin number 4. Okay, like that. So this will go on the other hand, should be from here. So this will be go to pin number 5. Okay, second thing you need to do is you need to I just need to short this TL2 and TL4. Okay, so this red will be short with this red, this will be short with this, and this will short with, sorry, should be here. Okay, like that, it's just done. So the next step is to like put the code, but before putting code I'm just initially first I will just put the code and tell you how it's work, and then I will explain you like how I code it. Okay, so what I will do, I will just search Arduino, it's not there, it's here, sorry, it's here. So how can you get the hex file? This is very important question. I told you in my previous video. This is my code. I'm going to explain it later, but before, what I will do, I will just compile it. Once I compile it, it will generate its hex file. So but you should know that where is the hex file, like the path of hex file. So you can see this here, you can see this is the, sorry, not this, You can see this is user app data local dem Arduino build this dot hex. This is the path of hex file. What I will do, I will just copy it. Sorry, what I did. I will just copy it. I will copy it and I'm going to put it in my Arduino in a port. Yes, double click it and you need to put like upload hex file. You need to write this path here and okay, and then press OK. So this is just done. Now what you need to do, you need to start it. Okay, then you need to run simulation. So you can see it's working. Red light is on, green light is on. Then you will see after 5 seconds this will switch off. So it's working. Now I think I should tell you how actually I code it. Here's my Arduino, it's here. For coding you need to see your project. Okay, let's go to the project. For coding, what I will do, I have to see the start. Okay, all like coding technique is mentioned here. You can see this for like time 1. For time 1 it's mentioned that red TL1 how TL1 should work, how TL2 should work, and this simultaneously for TL3 and TL4. But what I will do, I will code only for TL1 and TL2. I will not code for TL3 and TL4 because both are connected with TL1 and TL2 respectively. Like if I code for TL1, same pins will go to TL3, both are working same. Okay, so in my coding I will use only TL1 and TL2. For TL2 it will connect with TL4. Okay, you understand? So you can see this in this third column. You can see that red will on for TL1 and for TL2 green will on. Okay, and you know that timing for red is 7 seconds and timing for green is 5 seconds. Okay, for time 2 you can see this. Okay, let's go to the code so that you can understand properly. First what I did for TL1, I just defined some pins. Like I give the name red 1, pin number 0. I'm just giving the name to this pin 0 is will have name red 1, and pin number 1 have yellow 1 and green 1. Okay, I just define some names here. Then what I did, as you all know that all LEDs or all like lamps will act as an output, they will show something. So what I did, I will define pin mode in my void setup. Arduino IDE has two parts: void setup, that in which you will define your IOs, inputs and output, or some code that you just need to run on one time. But in loop you need to put such code that you want to run infinitely, or like that. Infinitely, if you want for a particular time, you will apply some other loop, for loop or something like that. So you can see that red 1, green 1, yellow 1, red 2, green 2, yellow 2, all are my outputs. I just define it here. So go to the next or main part. What I did, as you know that red 1 and green 1 and green 2 are high. So digital write, I just write digital write high to red 1 pin number 0, or green should be high. All others are low. You can see this. But for after 5 seconds, once 5 seconds will over, okay, I should turn off my green light because the timing for green light is 5 seconds. So I just switched off my low to my green light, and if I go to the project, you can see that in TL2 in time 2 in TL1 only yellow light is on, and you can see here TL2 yellow light is on. So after once the green light will switch off here, the yellow light of both TL1 and TL2 will on. So you can see it So both are yellow 1 and yellow 2 are turned on and green will low. But as you know that the timing for red light is just completed for like 5 seconds. I need 2 more seconds to like switch off this, so I put a delay of 2 seconds and then turn off this red light. Okay, and timing for yellow light is 3 seconds. After like this, putting this delay of 2 seconds, uh, 1 second needed for yellow lights to turn off, so I put another delay of 1 second. So in this way this just work. I'm just going to show you. I think you understand how it's work. This is my coding and this is its simulation. So I think so there is no need of resistors, just because uh, like it's just directly connected to Arduino, and if I use LEDs, then I should need a resistor for like put some resistance. So it's working. Okay, so what I need is I need to save this project. Hopefully you understand it, or if you not understand it in any way, you can ask me. I will put a link for both this schematic and for code in my description, so you can like take save your time and take a code and run on your PC. Thank you so much for watching my video, or if you really like it, so please appreciate my video and like it or subscribe or share. Thank you so much.